Python is incredibly popular in 2024. It's used everywhere, from websites to data science. Beginners love Python because it's easy to learn. Experts love Python because it's powerful. What makes Python so special? It's simple, versatile, and has a huge community. This makes Python adaptable for various tasks. Python is used in many fields, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It's also a favorite for scripting and automation. With its continued growth, Python is shaping the future of technology. It's an exciting time to be a Python enthusiast. Python 3.12 brings exciting updates that are set to revolutionize the way developers work. These updates make Python faster, more efficient, and easier to use, ensuring that developers can write code more swiftly and with fewer errors. They focus on performance, error handling, and developer experience, addressing some of the most common pain points in software development. One major improvement is faster code execution, which means that programs run more quickly and efficiently. Python 3.12 significantly boosts speed for certain operations, making it ideal for high-performance computing tasks. This makes Python even more competitive for performance-critical tasks, such as data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing. Error handling gets a major upgrade in Python 3.12, with new tools and features that simplify the debugging process. New features make it easier to find and fix bugs, reducing the time spent on troubleshooting and increasing productivity. This saves developers time and frustration, allowing them to focus on writing new code and developing innovative solutions. Python 3.12 adds even better support for type hinting, which helps developers write clearer and more reliable code. This helps developers write clearer and more reliable code, making it easier for teams to collaborate and maintain their projects. It's like having Python double-check your work, ensuring that your code is both correct and efficient. With these enhancements, Python 3.12 is truly a game changer, setting a new standard for programming languages. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these updates will make your coding experience smoother and more enjoyable. The Python community continues to grow and thrive thanks to these continuous improvements and innovations. Python 3.12 is not just an update, it's a leap forward in the evolution of programming. Python 3.12 introduces significant performance improvements. This means your code runs faster and more efficiently. One key enhancement is in the interpreter's core. Python 3.12 optimizes how it executes your code. This results in noticeable speed boosts. These optimizations benefit various Python applications. From web servers to data analysis, everything runs smoother and faster. Faster code execution translates to improved user experience. Websites load quicker and applications respond faster. It's a win-win for everyone. Python 3.12 makes debugging easier with improved error messages. These messages are now more informative and pinpoint the exact issue. Imagine getting an error message that tells you exactly what went wrong. No more deciphering cryptic codes. Python 3.12 makes that a reality. The enhanced error messages save developers time and effort. They can quickly identify and fix bugs, leading to more stable code. This improvement is particularly helpful for beginners. Clear error messages make learning Python less frustrating and more enjoyable. Section 5. Improved type hinting. Type hinting helps you write clearer, more reliable Python code. Python 3.12 improves this feature, making it even more powerful. Think of type hinting as adding notes to your code. These notes tell Python what type of data each variable should hold. This helps prevent errors and makes your code easier to understand. It's like having a co-pilot double-checking your work. Python 3.12 expands type hinting capabilities. This gives developers more control and flexibility in defining their data structures. Section 6. Pattern Matching Power-Up. Python 3.11 introduced structural pattern matching. Python 3.12 enhances this feature, making it even more versatile. Pattern matching allows you to write code that checks for specific data structures. This simplifies complex logic and makes your code more readable. For example, you can use pattern matching to process data based on its structure. This is useful for tasks like parsing files or analyzing API responses. Python 3.12 adds new patterns and features. This gives developers more tools to handle various data structures and logic flows. Section 7. Data Science Delights. Python is a powerhouse for data science. Python 3.12 introduces features that benefit data scientists, analysts, and machine learning engineers. The performance improvements in Python 3.12 are particularly beneficial for data-intensive tasks. This means faster data processing and model training. Improved error handling and type hinting also benefit data science workflows. They lead to more reliable and maintainable code. Python 3.12 continues to solidify Python's position as the go-to language for data science. It empowers data professionals to do their best work. Section 8. Web Development Wonders. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of web development, exploring the tools and technologies that make it all possible. Python is widely used for web development, thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask. These frameworks provide the necessary tools to build robust and scalable web applications efficiently. Python 3.12 brings improvements that enhance the web development experience. With each new release, Python continues to evolve, offering developers more features and better performance. Faster code execution translates to faster web applications. This is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world, where users expect instant responses and seamless interactions. This means happier users who don't have to wait for pages to load. A smooth and responsive website can significantly enhance user satisfaction and retention. Improved error handling and type hinting contribute to more robust and maintainable web applications. These features help developers catch errors early and write cleaner, more understandable code. This is crucial for handling large code bases. As projects grow in complexity, having a reliable and maintainable code base becomes essential for long-term success. Python 3.12 ensures that Python remains a top choice for web development. Its continuous improvements and strong community support make it a reliable option for developers. It empowers developers to build faster, more reliable, and scalable web applications. With Python, the possibilities for web development are endless, and the future looks brighter than ever. Section 9. The future is Pythonic. Python's popularity continues to soar. It's a versatile language used in various industries, from web development to scientific computing. The latest updates in Python 3.12 focus on performance, developer experience, and code reliability. These updates make Python even more powerful and user-friendly. Python's vast community and extensive libraries ensure its continued growth. The future of Python is bright, with endless possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, learning Python is a valuable investment. It opens doors to exciting career opportunities. Section 10. Embracing the Python evolution. Python's evolution is driven by a commitment to improvement. Each new version brings exciting features and enhancements that benefit developers. Embracing these updates is crucial for staying ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. It allows you to leverage the full potential of Python. The Python community plays a vital role in this evolution. Developers contribute to its development, ensuring it remains relevant and cutting edge. By embracing the Python evolution, you become part of a vibrant community that's shaping the future of technology. It's an exciting journey to be a part of. Section 11. Conclusion: Python's unstoppable rise. Python's popularity is not a coincidence. It's a result of years of development, community support, and a clear vision for the future. It's a testament to its simplicity, versatility, and the power it puts in the hands of developers. Python's syntax is easy to learn, making it accessible to beginners yet powerful enough for seasoned professionals. The latest updates in Python 3.12 further solidify its position as a leading programming language. These updates bring enhancements that improve performance, security, and usability, ensuring Python remains at the forefront of technology. They make Python faster, more efficient, and even more enjoyable to use. The improvements in speed and efficiency mean that developers can build and deploy applications more quickly, saving time and resources. Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or exploring the world of artificial intelligence, Python has something to offer. Its extensive libraries and frameworks provide tools for almost any task, from web development with Django to data analysis with Pandas and NumPy. It's a language that empowers you to bring your ideas to life. With Python, you can prototype quickly, iterate on your designs, and turn your concepts into reality with minimal hassle. As Python continues to evolve, one thing is certain: its rise is unstoppable. The community-driven development ensures that Python adapts to the changing needs of the tech world, keeping it relevant and powerful. So dive in, explore its capabilities, and join the Python revolution. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Python offers endless possibilities. Embrace the journey and see where Python can take you.